Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show how to download and install GoLand IDE for Go programming language on Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. At first open your favorite web browser and browse this URL jetbrains.com, then click on the developer tools, then select GoLand. Click on the download button, then select Windows and click on the download button to download GoLand for Windows operating system. GoLand includes an evaluation license key for a free 30-day trial. Okay, click here to download. It may take a while for downloading. I already have downloaded it on my machine. After a successful download, navigate to Downloads folder and open this installer. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes to verify publisher and then click on next to continue. Now choose the folder in which you want to install GoLand. This is the default destination folder. If you want to change this folder, click on the browse and then browse the folder where you want to install GoLand. I am going to install GoLand on this default folder. Okay, then click on next. If you want to create desktop shortcut icon, check this box and then check this boxes, then click on next, click on install. It may take a while for installing GoLand IDE for Go programming language on Windows operating system. That's it. GoLand IDE installed successfully. If you want to run GoLand right now, check this box. Otherwise, uncheck and then click on finish to exit the setup wizard. If you asked a question from Windows security, do you want to allow public and private networks to access this app? Select allow to verify the publisher. I don't want to import, so skip import. Now I am going to create a new Go project. Okay. Before creating a new project, you must have installed Go on your system. If you don't have installed Go on your system, you will find a link in video description how to install Go on Windows operating system. This is the project location where the newly created project will be stored. I am going to name it. I want to add sample code, so check this box, create. Okay, this is a simple Go program that will print hello world and also a number 1 to 5. Okay, I am going to run this application, so open main.go and then click on this run button and run Go build my first project name. It may take a while for compiling. That's it. Go project runs successfully. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.